Look, 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 snook, bass, bass. Oh my god.
Giant snook, giant snook. Oh my god.
What is that?
He's under the island. I stopped and twitched that bluegill for 2 minutes.
The wall. Oh.
This one's huge.
Look at how good this. Oh.
Tarpon all in here.
I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one. I got one on my giant freaking bluegill.
You definitely do?
Yeah. See how long? Look, look. He's taking out line.
I'm
He's taking out line. I'm gonna let him eat it. It might be giant gar instead, but we'll see what happens. I'm gonna let him eat it a little bit longer.
He's on?
He's taking line right now. Look, look. See my rod? Yeah, it feels like a gar. Oh, that does not feel like a gar. Oh my god. Giant snook, giant snook. No way. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just a bass.
Oh my gosh. Wait, I wanna get that. Look here. Look. What is it?
It's just a bass. Thought it was a snook.
It's a nice big bass.
It's a huge one though. This guy's been caught before. Oh, he's got another hook in him.
Oh wow, nice.
Poor guy.
Picture.
I thought this was a huge snook. Oh well. Ow. Let me get this hook out. Okay. I'm just gonna release him. Alright, well, I thought it was a big snook. Still like a 5-pounder. That's pretty awesome. But I'm not gonna lie, I kinda wish it was a snook or a tarpon. There he goes.
Got him. What a nice guy.
That was probably the same one that followed your bait.
Oh yeah. Probably right.
Kind of looks like the same size. Might as well. I'm gonna try this huge one now. Might as well use them.
We need to use these, right?
Yeah, you should go ahead and start using
Is
them.
that one in a permanent state of sleep?
Yeah. That looked like a tarpon. Yeah, that is a tarpon.
I saw a fin.
That was a tarpon. That's a tarpon.
Boy, you got on him fast.
He didn't want it. He would have taken it as soon as I landed it. He got scared. He wants to fly. Damn. Oh, no, he's got it. Wait.
Stay with it.
You need to keep them alive. Keep these baits alive. This spot is crazy. I got a camera on.
He's feisty.
Is it a tarpon? It'd be so epic. Oh, it's just bass. That's cool.
Wow, though. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Dude, he's big.
Nice.
Come on.
Largy.
Fall down, no.
Bring him up over here. There's no rocks. There's a big snook come up and eat him.
I think I caught your fish.
There's no way he got over the waterfall. So no. Dang, though.
Look at him flopping.
Huge.
I've got to hold that up. Oh wait, it's really sharp. I can't do that. It's gonna cut my thumb.
Push it really hard. Turn it.
Okay, I'm doing it.
There you go.
Nice.
Fat fish. It's a nice bass.
Pretty good, right?
Oh yeah.
It's been a long time since I caught a nice fish with you.
I didn't even think there'd be bass in here because it's supposed to be saltwater.
I cannot be. There's no way.
So, we got it. Oh, crap! I'm sorry. Did I hit you?
No. I wish I had
That was
my fish.
That was a tarpon.
Another one. You think it was gonna be him?
I don't know. It could have been a gar, but something ate it right on the top like that. All right. So the last few bluegills here. Just got a few left. All the way from Orlando. They don't get this kind of snack all the time. Oh, something's got it. It's a big gar. It was just a gar.
Oh.
He's got it again. Ah. Took mine.
Take this. Oh, I wish I got the bite. Yeah.
He's under the island. Get close to me with the camera. So yeah, this tarpon just came out of nowhere, crushed this bluegill. He's stuck under this island. I'm trying to get him out. He ate the 50-pound. Oh my god. Oh, that's so cool. I love watching them jump. Oh, that's my favorite fish. Get him around this island too. And I'll pull him up over here. That's a huge shark.
gosh.
Biggest one.
That's a monster.
Oh my gosh. So sick. Ever. Can't believe it's like. Let's look at this picture.
Oh my gosh. Awesome. Congratulations.
Look at that. We are on the way back from the trip. Still super slimy. Didn't expect to actually see some tarpon. We were kind of looking for snook at first, but caught some really big bass. My dad caught his biggest bass ever. It was like a 4 or 5 pounder, so that was a monster. That was awesome. It was really cool to catch bass and tarpon in the same water too, because both fresh and saltwater fish, so that was really cool. What is going on? I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was actually filmed earlier this summer. Unfortunately, as some of you might know, my entire account was deleted and hacked. My Instagram, Facebook, all my social media accounts, including YouTube, were hacked, and a lot of things were deleted. So unfortunately, I've been dealing with that and haven't been able to get a whole bunch of videos out to you guys. But finally I recovered some of this footage of me going out with my dad and fishing some backwater areas for some snook, tarpon, and bass. But we ended up just catching the bass and a really nice tarpon in the end, which was awesome. So special thanks to my dad for taking me out that day. It was a really fun day of fishing. Didn't expect to really even catch any bass. They were eating 50-pound fluorocarbon leader, which was intended for the snook and the tarpon, which is pretty crazy. As long as you got a long 6-foot leader, even the bass will hit that too, so it's pretty cool. Unfortunately, when the tarpon bit though, I did not have my camera running yet. So I kind of wanted to explain how that tarpon was feeding. It was kind of weird. I've never had a tarpon bite like this before on a live bait. The bluegill is actually already dead by then. And I was just twitching it on the surface, and I kept getting something that would come up and swipe at it and miss it. And finally he came back and he smashed it. It was a huge tarpon. I didn't even think it was that big. But yeah, it was a lot of fun, guys. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the rod and reel you're using also. Especially when you're fishing spillways, you gotta make sure you go pretty dang heavy. I wasn't even going heavy enough compared to what you're supposed to be fishing, what a lot of other people fish. But this is just the 7-foot, it's a squadron rod with my KastKing Sharky 3 5000 split up with 50-pound high-vis braid. And you're using that high-vis too. You're gonna want to make sure to have like at least 6-foot fluorocarbon leader so they can't see that line. But 50-pound line and 50-pound leader or even heavier leader usually is perfect for spillways. I'll have a link in the description below if you guys want to purchase this rod or reel or line or anything. Like I said, guys, this is an older video. I got a lot of new videos I'm editing right now that are going to be coming out soon, you guys. So keep fishing, stay tuned. I appreciate you guys for watching. Tight lines, guys.